In this video, I'll show you how to change the password in Arknights Endfield. So let's say, for instance, you have signed in to the game using an email address and a password. If you want to change the password, it's pretty simple. All you have to do is simply pause the game. So press the options button on your controller and then select the settings wheel icon at the top left corner, and then navigate to the platform and account, and then select account center. Now give it a few seconds. Now within the account center options, scroll down and select change password, and then you have to verify your current email address. So simply select get verification code, and then a verification code will be sent to that particular email address. Now once you type in the verification code, simply select OK. And then from here you have to type in the new password that you'd like to use. So type in the new password and then type the new password again, and then select re-enter new password, and then type in the same password that you just entered above. And then once you've done, simply select OK, and the password will be changed for your account. So that's basically it. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.